Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use the direct share method to share a component in Canvas with another person. So I have the similes and metaphors assignment right here that maybe I want to send to a couple of my colleagues. So I'm not going to click on these three dots here. Instead, I need to find the assignment in the assignment list here in the menu. So I'm going to click on assignments, and then I see the similes and metaphors here. I'm going to click on the three dots, which means more options, and I'm going to go to send to. And now I'm just going to start typing their names. So I'm going to send this to Kenny Pinkerton. And I could send it just to one person, but you can also send it to multiple people at the same time. And Susan Anderson. And then I'm just going to click on send. And you'll see it says content share started successfully. Now, if someone shares something with you, what you're going to see on your account picture or where your icon might be up here, your avatar, will be a number. That indicates I have something there, so I'm going to click on that. So this is for the recipient. I'm going to click on account, and you'll see under shared content, I have one item there. So I can click on shared content, and I see that there is an assignment that Kenny has shared with me. So if I want to go ahead and import it, I would click import. I could preview it first, but I'm going to import it. And then here I'm going to select my course. Now, so your list of courses in Canvas will populate here. And so you'll select your course. And because I have a lot, I'm going to go ahead and I have one called Jim's Sandbox. And I'm going to select the module in that course. So I'm going to put that in my Unit 5 module, and I'm going to place it at the top. I could choose another option, and then I'm just going to import. And you'll see it says import started successfully. So now I could go to that particular course, and then I can check that in my course, in the module that I had selected, then it will import. And that's how you import assignments using direct share.